Hello, this is Sarah Lynn. I would now like to show you how to use TruPic. It's one of my favorite new tools that we have. Favorite at the moment because there's lots of them always coming out. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to show you my screen. You can take a look at it there. Let me make sure it's open. Yep, okay. And what you do to go to TruPic is you go to your main screen. Oops, hold on a second. Got to get there. Okay, let me go back and show you what I just did. Okay, so I'm going to come to my app, right? And I open it up. Always takes a little while. Right now they take a little while sometimes because they're updating it all the time. And when they update it, it has to open up and update. So just bear with it until it all gets up to par. Remember, we're in soft opening for 6 months. Okay. All right, so here's your TruPic down here. So say I'm sitting next to a client or I am wanting to take a personal pic of myself. You come into your app on your phone. This is an iPhone. It's pretty much the same with an Android too. I have both, so I use them both. And you click on down here, TruPic. When TruPic opens, remember your technology suite is actually an app storage area for many apps that we have in TruAura. That's why we call it our app, because you have your own personal app. But it opens up your TruPic app in your technology suite. I'm going to log in with my information. Whoops, hold on a second. So mine, I believe, is set up the same. I try to keep all of it the same in my TruAura information. There's my email if anybody needs it. Okay. And your password would be the same thing that you use for login. Okay, so your pic is up. Oh, we were playing around with it last night on our call. Okay, so what happens is that when you open up TruPic, let me go back to the opening there. Up comes all your different photos. Actually, it can come open at any spot. And what I'm clicking is these little things down here. Okay, here's how I would actually, down in the far bottom left-hand corner, these are pictures that I have in my phone, in my TruPic app. And then I can use these at a later date. Okay, and they're all time stamped. But say I want to take a picture, because now you're sitting next to a client and it's time to take a picture of them. Go ahead and go in here. And what I clicked is the camera down here. Okay, you can even turn it around. I'm going to click this up here at the top. See that up there at the top? I'm going to click that, turn it around so it has a picture of me. And some of the cool things I love about this is that if you click up here again, see up here in the far right hand corner, it can allow me to align my head, my eyes, my lips, my hands. So let's just click on head here at the moment. All right. So when I'm working with a client and I need to take a quick picture, it is so nice to have this device because it allows you to align their head inside of these arrows. One of the tricks I've learned is I like to put the little crossbars here in the center of their nose. And that truly pretty much lines up everything. And then you can just snap a picture. Okay. Allow it to add to your picture roll. Yep. Then you want to hit next right away. Hit next. And then you want to hit save photo right away. See save photo down here? And then you're going to put a story about it. Sarah Lynn with makeup. That way when you go to look at the pictures later, go to find them later, you can find them easily. Then you hit save, and then there it is. Okay. Now, that is key that when you take a picture, you then, if I say I'm going to take a picture like 5 minutes, 10 minutes from now, you go up here, come into your camera again, right? We push this button here, come into the camera again, but I always go up here in the far right-hand corner and click whatever I use. I'm showing you how to do it if it was with a client or with me, and I'm going to line up that the little crossbars on the corner, on the center of my nose. Okay, line it up in the center of your nose. Take the picture again. Okay, hit next. You gotta hit next. You gotta hit save photo. Just, you can type in Sarah again with makeup after. Okay, hit the red arrow. Hit save. Okay, now look, there's those two pictures. So ideally, have the person do what Steph did. Close their mouth, normal eyes. They're looking at the camera. Usually I was looking at my camera. So now it's time to do the side-by-sides. So we're gonna go over here in the far left-hand corner down at the bottom. And it comes in here and grabs my two pictures. And I'm gonna tap on the two pictures that I wanna use, 1 and 2. Hit next. Select a color of border. Okay, easy to do. And then hit, I believe, share. Let me see. Okay. And then let's see, what do I want to do with it? I think that I will email it to myself so that I have it right now to show you guys. Sarah. I'll be able to see. You know what? Can I just put my glasses on? That would be a great idea. saralyn@gmail.com. Test. Send it to me. Okay. I'm going to open my Gmail while we're waiting for that to send. I'll slide that over here to you. Look at it, it's already there. Okay, so let's open that. Oh, there it is. Okay, now look at how cool that is. Look at that. Not me. Down here at the bottom, do you see where it says the date and the time stamp? That's the key. Look at, here's a minute later. So what's so awesome about this is that you can literally have, you're doing clinical studies of people when you get the time stamp. It's crucial, crucial, crucial that you start using TruPic because we want that time stamp, okay? So I'm taking you back, oops, let me make sure that it goes back and mirrors my phone. So I'm taking you back to the little overview again. Remember, down here at the bottom, that's how you make, when you click on that, you then select photos, hit next, and then you select a border, and then share it, to wherever you want to do it. Do you want to share it to Facebook? Do you want to share it to a message? Do you want to send it to the client? Do you want to just save it to your phone? Whatever you want to do. It's so cool, okay? But it's crucial that we start using this. Let me show you another neat thing. So say I want to take a picture again, and this time I'm going to go up here and hit the little down button here of the girl again. And now I'm going to say eyes or eye. And look at this. You can do both eyes. And then what it does is, I'm going to keep those glasses on. Then what you can do is you can line up those little plus signs right on a person's eyes. Okay. Take the before picture and hit next. And then hit save photo. Did I do something wrong? Oh, I got to select. Nope, I didn't need to select it. Hit save photo. Okay, and then I can do eyes. You can even just choose one down below, like I did there. I just choose one from down below. Hit save. Okay, there's my before picture, right? Now I'm going to take a second picture. There's my eyes are still open on my phone. So now I'm going to take one with my glasses on. We'll know which one's the after picture. Line those little plus symbols right up over the center of their eyes. Okay, hit next. Hit save photo. Hit eyes again. Hit save. Okay, now I want to do the before and after pics down here in the far left-hand corner. There comes my pictures. So I'm grabbing the two pictures that I want to use. Hit the before and afters. Hit a border. Share. Okay, sending it to my email. My Android, it comes up. Don't know why it doesn't on this iPhone. Okay, and I'm going to send it to myself. Send already, people. Okay, sent it to myself. Gonna go grab it. Gonna take a little longer because it's my phone probably. But that's how you do that, okay? So that other test one was my first one I did. Okay, so pretty cool. Here's another neat thing that it does. Oh, look, I haven't sent it yet. Okay, we'll do that, eyes. That's why it wasn't there. Okay, all right, so now I'm gonna go back and hit the little plus sign again, or the little picture sign here again. Okay, this time I'm going to do just one eye, single eye. Now here's what's so awesome. You got to turn the camera around so it's aiming at me. Here's what's so cool about this too. In my regular camera, I cannot for the life of me get my pictures to come in this clearly without being fuzzy. With TruPic, look at how clear that is. Isn't that nuts? So you just line it up, right, so that the plus signal symbol is in between your eye, if you're on your pupil there. Hit next, right? Or hit next down here. Save photo. Sarah with makeup. Save. Okay, and then there it is. Now I'm going to go down here and push the picture button again because I need my after picture. I'm going to come up here to the top again and hit eyes, single eye, and then turn the camera around so it's taking the picture of my single eye, and then take it again, right? So it lines up. Look how clear that is, Amber. Isn't that nuts?
Oh, wow.
Take a picture so it's in the center of your eye again. Okay, hit next. Hit save photo. And this is Sarah Lynn's after pic with makeup on. Hit save. And now I'm going to go in the far right hand corner and take make the collage, you know, the before and afters. Bam, bam, choose them, hit next, select a border. Not sure why that other picture's there. Okay, but you're getting the picture, right? How cool is it to be able to, oh, I didn't choose it very well, that's why. Unchoose those other two. There we go. There. Now you can tell they're chosen because there's a coloring around them. See, I'd accidentally still had those two pics chosen. So hit next. There they are. Select a border. Hit share. Gonna email it to myself. Whoops. Okay, let's go see if it's there. Okay, there it is. Look how quick. Well, that was from, I didn't send it to the right address. Okay, well, there's the ones from before. So let's look at those again. Let's make them bigger. Look at that. 1 minute apart, 2 minutes. Here's the stamp on them. Okay, and that's the close-up one of my eyes, double eyes. And I could have came in as close as I wanted to on that. Obviously, I didn't do that one right. Let's go back and grab that. So I'm going back to my, let's send it again, share it again. Okay, let's spell it out right. BUSARALYN@gmail.com. second eye. Okay, it's sending. Go in there. There it is. Look at that. Look how clear those are. That's just what blows my mind. Look how clear those pictures are. Look at all that creepiness up there in my eye. Not as much as it used to be, I'll tell you that for sure. All right. So just want to make sure you understand the power of this. Look at the timestamp. Exactly the right time. So a minute apart. See, 1 minute, 2 minute, and then right here it's 1:57, and the other side it was 1:56. It is so powerful that we start using these time-stamped pics from TruPic, because we are unique in the fact that we have this for ourselves, and it's vital that we learn it and use it for the power of what it does for us. I'm even doing things like I'm in a makeup class to learn how to put on eyelashes, so I used it to take before and afters of our eyelashes. I was being silly with myself the first day I got it. And see, all these pictures are there just to play with at any point. The other thing I love is that they actually even go to your photos. So I could start deleting some of these, right? Delete some of them out of here. You don't have to keep them in here. I'm trying to remember how I did that, but I know you can. Maybe I just tapped them. Oh, I don't know. Oh yeah, there it goes. Did you see that? So here you can hit delete right up here in the right hand corner and get rid of them. Okay. Steph would probably like it if I would get rid of this one. Not as good as the other one. So I'm going to delete that. Delete it. Yep. Okay. And off it is. See, here's Austin. I was on the phone call with you guys the other night. I'll delete that one too by hitting the little delete button up at the top. Do I want to delete it? The answer is yes. Okay. Gone. Okay. Some test pictures I've done. So play around with it, because it's crazy how clear TruPic is and how well it works. Holler if you have any questions. Thanks for being on with me.